I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself. I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court.
Okay, did I just hear that you committed the crime? Okay, oh, you committed it in England, but they were broadcasting your radio beer fraud. You have been shouting, we are here, we are direct. People in so places, in Enugu, the whole of where they is shaking. Burn down Lagos. Oh, but you admitted you committed all these crimes. But you committed it in Upper Makande, he did nothing. Here the person you are defending. Can you be more Catholic than the Pope? The person you are defending is not even denying what they said he did. Did you hear him? Did you hear him or not? Am I doing my ear they pay me? Go start the video from the beginning again. Say what you want happen. You committed the crime in the UK, so it's only UK court. Please, they said Osama bin Laden and his people attacked USS Cool. Was Osama on the coast of East Africa when the USS Cool was attacked? No, tell me. When they formed the state of Israel, they hunted down, what's the name of this man? Babi, the butcher of Leon. All the way in Argentina, I think his was Argentina. I know it's somewhere South America. Eichmann, Argentina. They committed the crimes where? The only option left for Usain Bolt is for him to plead insanity. But shame no go let on. That means you would have proven us wrong. What we've been telling you since 2019 ending. But mostly 2020 till now. No, look at the mad you people are following because they use your beer fraud to fool you people. Beer fraud, with brain local. He knows he committed the offense. He's the one telling you. Okay, is it AI? Watch the same bingos that they used photoshopped photos to fool. Oh, young Buhari, look at the left ear. Look at the nose. Oh, the way he's talking. Will now tell you that this one is AI. Who posted the video? Whatever he thought he was going to achieve with this, I call them Ongo specialists. For 5 years now, I've given them that name and they've been living by it as a code. Ongo specialist. He wanted to use it to incite chaos outside. So his bingos will keep on making noise. We'll be buying people, all of these ones in the bushes. We will use it as an excuse to continue their crime. December don't they reach now, they need money for December. So he believes that they will say, since he's in England, why don't they take him to... There is no type of argument they will not make. By argument, I mean senseless, mindless arguments. If you even call them like the way these people behave, you will ask, please, did they surgically remove their brains and replace it with a sawdust? There is not. If you didn't point this one out now, this will be the mantra throughout this week. They know why they released it. I'm happy it's not the federal government that is releasing these photos. Utobo once again is delaying his defense. Oh, they are delaying him. Who been they delayed the case from day one? Go Mwaya, no be you. Appeal Court, Supreme Court. You go and you go, oh my, I can't say me they free and person where Abuja Court they try. when they send Abu Rashid Meina go inside now, why in people no go their state, go secure judgment, saying how they take arrest them? Just one excuse after another. Ishiga no kwakwe for nini. Ani Igbo get disgrace katunu ni na kwe for mkpari ni na ebutere ndị Igbo. Ani Igbo get disgrace nini kwe for Nnamdi Kanu na agakwe yodo.